रेडियो ऑल 106.3 एफएम पर मैं हूँ आपके साथ नैना। चल रहा है यहाँ पर आपके लिए गेट सेट गो गुड मॉर्निंग, जहाँ पर आज है मेरे साथ कोई बहुत ही ज्यादा खास और उनके आने के पीछे की वजह क्या है। सबसे पहले तो मैं ये बताना चाहूंगी आपको। सो राइट नाउ इफ यू आर समवन हु इज ट्राइंग टू बुक टेबल्स फॉर रेस्टोरेंट्स एंड थिंकिंग कि अरे यार बड़ी सारी मशक्कतों के बाद मुझे ये करना पड़ेगा, और या फिर अब मेरी तरह लेजी है, सोच रहे हैं यार आखिरी मोमेंट पर कुछ ना कुछ तो करना चाहिए, बाहर ले जाना चाहिए, लेकिन स्पेशल रिक्वेस्ट वगैरह सब कुछ एक साथ होनी चाहिए हमारे बाहर जाने के लिए। So, if you're like one lazy luxury seeker like me when it comes to food and restaurants, I have someone very, very special with me. So, I'm going to let her introduce herself first.
Hello everyone, this is Alia. I'm the CEO of UTSeat app. So I'm very happy to be here today with you, and I'm happy to talk about the app and the story behind it.
Okay, so UT Seats is supposed to be a great app जिसके बारे में मैंने काफ़ी कुछ देखा और काफ़ी कुछ स्टडी भी किया। स्टडीज़ इसलिए क्योंकि भाई बात करने से पहले बताना पड़ेगा आपको कि मुझे कितना ज़्यादा impressive लगा ये ऐप। While I'm gonna go gaga about it later, before that, firstly, Alia, I want a little introduction of how you decided to finally make an app like this. What made you think that this app was required right now in Qatar?
Okay, so actually I started working on this app in 2019, but I wasn't really focused on that as it wasn't my main career. So basically what I did is I just kind of thought that I would do it in a later stage because I prioritized my career.
Right.
And basically I was thinking, okay, fine, I'm gonna just do that. And it came coincidentally with the lockdown. So it seems like this app was perfectly inscribed in the context of booking in a restaurant reservation. So it was a bit of a coincidence, but I also was thinking, okay, if I'm launching it, it has to be now. It has to be done right now because I think that it's really, really needed. And plus, it's not only a utility app, but it's also a new concept. It's innovative, and we're adding a lot of value to the customer experience and the restaurants as well.
Lovely. So I'm talking to Alia about UT Seats, which is an amazing new app about restaurants and booking them in real time. A lot of such amazing features. So how about you just start with so when we go onto the app, right? The first thing that we see is how to book the restaurants. There's a huge list that I've seen, and she had specially shown me one beautiful restaurant, which I will try. But can you just lead me into how we start booking a restaurant onto your app?
Okay, so the first step is, of course, to download the app.
Download the app right now. It's on iPhone as well as on Android.
Yes, it's for
Okay.
free also.
Right.
And you can find it, just type UTSeat, UTSEAT, and you can download it.
Lovely.
The first thing that will be asked is the phone number, of course, because you know the restaurants need to reach you just in case you're late to your booking
Right.
or any issue happens.
Right.
So they will have your phone number. So you enter your phone number and then you'll receive an OTP, and then you can finally access the app. So as soon as you're in, it's very user friendly. You'll be presented the 3 categories of restaurants. So fine dining, casual, and cafes. So we have a very focused market. So we are targeting the restaurants that really need a reservation system because it's mostly crowded or you're experiencing a lot of issues with it. So we're trying to regulate the crowds and the queues, and also we're trying to highly improve the customer service. So once you choose the restaurant where you want to go, you will enter all your information. So how many guests you are, the time, the date, if you have any special request, anything you like, so the restaurant is aware of what you need before you reaching the restaurant. And then the amazing feature is that you will be able to choose your favorite tables. So you will have images of the tables and you can choose wherever you want to sit. So it won't be anymore like before where they choose for you. So you will have your full dining experience and your freedom. Also on the side, you can see the menu. You can have an idea of the dishes that they serve, the pricing, the best sellers, anything like that. You can even see the availability of the items because, you know, so many times you go to a restaurant and they tell you it's not available, I'm sorry. So it's kind of a very inconvenience for people. So yeah, I think this is a great option, and you have all the details about the restaurant, and you can see the gallery, so you can see the ambience and all of that. So that's the very basic version that we have so far, but in the future we'll have many other amazing features.
Right. I've already seen there are quite few amazing features that are coming in right now. There's the takeaway, live takeaway also that is there, where you can actually spot your food exactly when you can come and take it off, like in how many minutes from the restaurant that you've ordered it at. And then there's also the online paying system that's also going to be coming very, very soon. Now, this is something that I was telling Alia before all of this, that as soon as I went and I met her, I thought that given the complexity of the app, someone very, very, like, there should be a team of like some 4 or 5 men sitting together making sure that the app is working so well. But I was very surprised, Alia, that you pulled it off single-handedly from what I know.
Yes. So honestly, yeah, I was mostly the brain behind that, of course.
Girl power!
Yeah, so the thing is, I had to think a lot about the logistics and how it would work.
Right.
In the beginning, it was really easy. I was thinking, okay, this is quite easy, because I was only thinking from the customer's point of view.
So then
but then in reality, it's really like tough to think about both sides at the same time and make it useful for both and convenient at the same time.
Right.
So basically, yeah, I did, but I to be honest, I got a lot of support from a lot of people.
Right.
Everyone around me was helping me and very positive. So of course, I wouldn't say that I did all alone, but basically just the idea and the work also.
Yeah.
But like the work is also shared. So many people were into that.
So then I do want to ask you this question here, that what is it one hurdle, like probably a mental hurdle, that you had to cross before you could lead the app to such a stable area or such a stable position?
Okay, so the main challenge for me, to be honest, was to get restaurants. Because when you just start something, you really need to give this impression of being trusted. You need to make them trust you.
Right.
Because the restaurants will look at you, because the restaurants that I'm approaching are not any restaurants. They're very high-end. They have franchises like the Hilton restaurants, you know? So it's like a very big deal.
Right.
So for them to trust me and believe in me and my system, because it's reservations, you know, it's a big part. It's like their income comes from there.
Right.
So them risking it with an app that they don't know, that it's new and all of that, I think it's the biggest challenge.
Right.
But I'm so thankful that the restaurants trusted me and saw that I was really working hard and I was motivated and I was supportive. So this is how it turned out to be.
We're talking to Alia from UT Seat, an app which is available for you for booking restaurants without any hassle on iPhone as well as Android. So Alia, I want to ask you something over here, that already there are a lot of work that is happening on this app. So I see that it's a very expansive concept by itself as well. Right. So in Qatar, how do you plan to expand more, if I may ask?
So in Qatar.
Yeah.
So basically, we're trying to cover every area in Qatar. You know, Qatar is a very small country, to be honest, and it's quite easy to expand.
Right.
So we just go and approach the restaurants. We do a lot of networking, marketing. So this is how we get to expand.
Right.
But now, like, we are also thinking of going global. Right. So going to another country step by step.
Right.
And to be honest, Qatar is quite easy to spread. So it's fine.
Oh, yeah, you're going to have fun here. All right. So I'm going to ask a little personal question here for you. So as a customer, when you see your app, or when you have used your app, what has been your favorite feature about it?
To be honest, my favorite all-time feature is choosing where I want to sit, because I've experienced this so many times where the waiters choose for me where I'm gonna sit, but at the end of the day, I'm the one having the dining experience. Right. So I would like to be able to have the freedom to choose, you know, because we're human beings. We always like to have the freedom to choose in any field. Right. So there's that, and also the live status, which I think is very, very useful, especially in that context, because the point is to avoid crowds and queues. And by having a live status of the restaurant, you can see from home or from wherever you are, you can choose accordingly. If, for example, you're in Qatar and you're going to see, okay, this restaurant is really nice, but there are no seats available, you can see, you can even book for a certain time slot. Right. Maybe as soon as someone is freed, it will be updated and you get that table. Right. So it's also kind of a replacement for the waiting lists. Right. So I think it's a very useful feature to have.
Absolutely. There's one more thing that I would like to ask you here, Arya. That is that, you know, this kind of a feature is great at this particular point of time, because I believe the restaurants are already in a very restricted space, right? When it comes to booking people, the restaurants are working in a very limited booking slot. and especially this is helping out when it comes to having customers who are coming and sitting and then not taking up the booking. So it really helps in that extent as well. When we were talking about, that's what you said, right?
Yeah, exactly. So I think that it's also a traffic management mobile application. So it's not just a reservation, but it's also about traffic management, because they can manage who's coming in, who's going. It's kind of like recycling the customers that are not showing up. Their table will be given to someone else instantly. So it's a very smart way of reducing the stay time of the customers, and also increasing the turnover.
Absolutely. So this is such a great, amazing conversation that I'm having with Alia. Now, if you would look at Alia, you would not imagine that she's someone who's conceptualized such a complex app. Now, I do want to know a little bit about your team as well, who is helping you out behind the UT seat.
So we're approximately 15 in the team. So as I said, we have some interns also coming and going. We have the programmers, so they're located here, of course. And we have the legal, because of course when you have a company, you need to have a legal department,
right,
and accounting and all of that. And so basically, of course, I have like a team of like sales representatives who go, partnership representatives in my case. So they go and they approach the restaurants, and we're all very young. So we are a very, very young team.
Right.
And most of us have been born and raised in Qatar.
Oh,
so
lovely.
So we have
an advantage.
Exactly. We have an advantage because some managers, they find themselves in front of them. They don't know really how the mentality is. They just arrived to Qatar.
Yeah.
So sometimes it's good to show them that, this is the mentality, this is how people think, and this is why this app would be very useful here.
Lovely. So, I'm not going to be the one now who's going to tell you guys to download it. Alia is going to be the one who's going to quickly vouch for her app, quickly tell our customers exactly what they're supposed to download so that they can also have this amazing luxury restaurant experience through UTC.
So, everyone, you should download UTC. It's really a great app, and you will be able to do so many things with it. It will simplify your bookings, your dining experience, and it's for free, so there's absolutely nothing to lose. We're adding more and more restaurants every week, and we're of course expanding at a very fast rate. So the app is called UT Seat, so UTSEAT. And again, it's available on iOS and Android.
So I'm going to also do this. I'm going to tell her to also speak it in Hindi, ताकि अगर आप हिंदी में सुन रहे हैं तो आप भी जल्दी से डाउनलोड करें. So just quickly say, download कीजिए UT Seat.
Download कीजिए UT Seat.
Lovely. All right. Thank you so much, Alia, for being here. It was lovely having you.
Thank you so much.
And I hope you had a great experience. Do you have, how was your experience being here with me, Naina?
It's really amazing. I'm really happy to be here, and I feel so comfortable discussing with you, and it's really amazing.
Lovely.
Thank you so much, Olive Radio.
Thank you so much. And we're going to end with just saying Jio Bindas.
Jio Bindas.
She's so excited. I love how cool this is. Yeah, thank you so much. And she's one of the youngest, I think, women entrepreneurs I've seen here who've come in contact with me at least. So all the support to you, darling, and I hope you have a great time with this app.
Thank you very much. Thank you.